He's out his head, I'm out my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I.
We're going to be reacting to the channel. It's called, oh, it's free. It's still Freaky. Okay, we're reacting to Freaky Eaters again. The video is called Addicted to Fried Chicken and Junk Food, but who isn't though?
Bruh.
All
like,
right.
look, if my people didn't teach me not to eat fried chicken,
I wish I could eat fried chicken and junk food all the time without gaining weight and all that crap. But
nobody got time for that.
nope. Okay.
All right.
So,
Ready, get set, go.
Debbie Azugu works for her local council, inspecting properties to maintain building standards.
is she
All that
pregnant?
pavement pounding.
You
Debbie
fell.
says she eats with a high-fat, high-sugar,
Baby said she
high-salt
pregnant?
junk food
Ooh, that
diet.
shit look good though.
A
to
creature
be
of
honest.
habit,
God,
Debbie
bro.
hits
Look,
her
we've
local
been eating
Asda
super
for lunch
healthy,
and
so
eats
this looks
chips. Chips with scampi,
Ooh,
burger,
okay,
or
that
fried
looks
chicken,
nasty.
but always
Scumpy, what the hell is
chips.
Scumpy?
But Debbie's problem gets worse even before the end of the
Bruh,
working day.
don't show me no
Her journey
cookies,
home
bruh.
takes her right past the supermarket, and its aisles are stuffed with temptations she just
Bruh, don't
can't
show me no
resist.
cookies,
For
bruh.
real.
And after a hard
Thank
day on the
you.
job, Debbie can't wait to get home and let it all hang out.
I plonk my stuff down, take my trousers off, as you can see. There's a whole week's worth of trousers there. Sit down.
That's not funny.
Watch television.
That's
Just like I'm
nasty
kind
as
of Homer
hell.
Simpson sort of person.
Debbie lives alone, but her daily food shop could feed a family.
Now look at it, it's like kind of disgusting
Damn,
what I'm putting in
She
my
got the whole candy store in her house.
There he is!
So weird.
This
Let me get off those, bro.
parties on with all those biscuits and crisps before eating her TV dinner.
I think I found your wifey, bro.
Debbie eats takeaways 5 or 6 nights
I'm on that, I'm on that. Don't, hey, bro, go get on there with me. Hey, chill, I'm just playing, bro.
I would cook. I can't cook, that's a problem. Every time I cook, the fire alarm goes off, so I don't do it.
This junk food junkie's diet means Debbie's
Damn,
daily
nah, that
intake
chicken looks good,
is a
though.
recommended amount of calories and 3 times that of fat. The reason it takes so much to kill hunger pangs like Debbie's?
I'm
Because
hungry.
for Debbie, food brings comfort.
Eating to me, or what I do, it affects me. It's a big part of me, right? It's a
We both
lifestyle.
just ate a whole bunch of
A
vegetables.
convenient lifestyle, probably.
For real, man.
Convenience is a nice
I
word
ain't
for
watching
it, but I
Scrap
suppose it's kind of more than that. Yeah, I'd say it's a bit of a safety net.
Debbie's identical twin Jessica has far from identical eating habits.
Jessica.
She's not a eater.
Oh, no.
You finna have one of those eating habits, baby?
Doesn't well all the time. I know that she, treats herself, and I'm not sure if she knows when she can treat herself and when she can't treat herself. I'm not sure if she thinks every day is a celebration. So.
With 24 years of junk food addiction behind her, Debbie's got a tough habit to kick. But now she's keen to try and go
Damn.
cold turkey and junk the junk.
That's how we cook our
I think
food.
it
On
can
like,
help me
at least
change
she putting it in the oven and shit.
And I
Like,
like
no
to be able to do
no
that, and maybe
frying.
try and
That's
change
facts.
her into someone who
Well, no,
enjoys
because she
more
look
vegetables.
like
But
she
that's
bad
still-
about her.
So I've never really
But
been able
that's
to see
bad
That's still
for
bad,
you,
yeah.
and so forth, or being told about, not to eat this and not to eat that. It was just, whatever I could afford and whatever tastes
What
good,
is she mixed
basically.
with?
I mean, that is
This
true
isn't going to
because
be easy. Debbie's a
the
girl
bad
who
food,
struggles with
the
change.
food that's
She's
bad for
lazy
you cheap,
and
but the
needs
good food is so
motivation.
I
expensive,
will
man. That
go
shit is
shopping
crazy.
and I will buy all this healthy stuff, and then it will just sit in the fridge, basically. And, I just can't be bothered.
So this week, our experts could get a run for their money.
I'm not a competitive person at all. I'm pretty lazy, and to be a competitive person, you've got to be pretty active and pretty motivated. That's not me.
Yeah,
I walk in life, I don't
that's
run.
hard. She's out walking like I don't run. Relatable. I don't blame her though. It's hard, Shit, it's.
And no, that was so true though, because like the healthy food is like so expensive.
Yeah, I
Like,
agree.
We would spend $60 on healthy food and it wouldn't even be a lot. Versus us go get some
I
junk.
saw this lady at Whole Foods the other day. She only had like 10 items and her shit came out to like $117. I was like,
Alright, well look, that's it for this video, gang.
I'm gonna do this every video. I got that from my sister.
That's your, do it now. You gotta do it at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
I thought we was gonna hear about each other. Alright, man. Peace out. Thank y'all for watching. Love.
Bye.
Bye. You gotta say bye.
They gonna say I'm copying Liza. But guess what? I don't give a fuck. Bye.
Bye.